Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome to eGreen Channel. Today we're diving into 10 quick and easy plant-based meals perfect for busy people. Listen, I know life gets busy, but that doesn't mean you can't nourish your body with good, wholesome food. We're about to make cooking fun, easy, and full of flavor. Let's get started. This right here is one of my go-to meals when I'm short on time. It's quick, easy, and incredibly nutritious. We're talking fluffy quinoa, hearty chickpeas, and all the colourful veggies your heart desires. Quinoa is a fantastic base because it's packed with protein and has a wonderful texture. Chop up some bell peppers, which add a nice crunch and a burst of colour. Cucumbers, which are refreshing and hydrating. Cherry tomatoes for a sweet and tangy flavour, and red onion for a bit of a bite. Anything you've got in the fridge will do. You can get creative and use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Toss it all together with a little lemon vinaigrette, which adds a zesty and bright flavour to the salad. And honey, you've got yourself a party in a bowl. The lemon vinaigrette really ties all the flavours together and makes the salad pop. It's packed with protein and fibre to keep you satisfied, thanks to the quinoa and chickpeas. These ingredients make the salad hearty and filling, and it's so refreshing and delicious. Perfect for a light lunch or a side dish at dinner. Plus, it's vegan and gluten-free, making it suitable for almost everyone. You can even make a big batch and store it in the fridge for meal prep. Trust me, once you try this quinoa salad, it will become a staple in your kitchen. Now, who doesn't love a good taco night? These spicy black bean tacos are so simple to make, you'll be wondering why you ever ordered takeout. Sauté some onions and garlic, then add in your black beans, some fire-roasted tomatoes, and all your favourite spices. I like to add a little cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika for that extra kick. Warm up your tortillas, pile on the beans, and top with all the fixings: lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, cilantro. Oh my. Let's talk about a classic for a minute. Avocado toast. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it comes together in a flash. Toast up your favourite bread, mash some ripe avocado on top, and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Now here's where we elevate it: juicy slices of tomato and fresh basil leaves. The flavours are just incredible together, and it's the perfect light meal or snack. Chapter 4. Stir-fried tofu with broccoli. This stir-fry is bursting with flavour and comes together in just minutes. It's a perfect dish for those busy weeknights when you want something healthy and delicious without spending hours in the kitchen. Start by pressing your tofu to remove excess moisture. This step is crucial because it helps the tofu absorb more of the flavourful sauce and gives it a better texture when cooked. Once the tofu is pressed, cube it up into bite-sized pieces. Toss the tofu cubes in your favourite stir-fry sauce, making sure each piece is well coated. This will ensure that every bite is packed with flavour. I like to use a mix of soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of maple syrup. The soy sauce adds a savoury depth, the sesame oil brings a nutty aroma, and the maple syrup provides a hint of sweetness that balances the dish perfectly. Combine these ingredients in a small bowl and mix them well. This simple sauce is what makes the dish so irresistible. Heat a wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a bit of oil and stir-fry your tofu until it's golden brown and slightly crispy on the edges. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tofu is nicely browned, add in your broccoli florets. Cook them together until the broccoli is tender crisp, which usually takes another 3 to 4 minutes. The broccoli should be bright green and still have a bit of crunch. Serve this delicious stir-fry over a bed of brown rice or quinoa for a complete and satisfying meal. The grains will soak up the flavourful sauce, making each bite a delightful experience. Enjoy your homemade stir-fried tofu with broccoli. Chapter 5. Lentil soup. There's nothing more comforting than a warm bowl of lentil soup, especially on a chilly evening. The aroma fills the kitchen, creating a cozy atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. This recipe is so easy to make, and it's packed with nutrients. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber, making this soup not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy. Start by sautéing some onions, carrots, and celery. These vegetables form the base of the soup, adding depth and flavor. Once the vegetables are softened, add in your lentils, vegetable broth, and your favorite spices. You can use cumin, coriander, or even a touch of turmeric for an extra kick. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender, absorbing all the flavors from the broth and spices. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. For a creamier texture, blend a portion of the soup with an immersion blender. This step is optional, but highly recommended for a richer consistency. Serve it with a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. These herbs add a burst of freshness and color to the dish. And don't forget the side of crusty bread. It's perfect for dipping and soaking up every last bit of the delicious soup. Enjoy your meal. Chapter 6. Chickpea and Spinach Curry. This chickpea and spinach curry is bursting with flavor and so easy to make. Sauté some onions, garlic, and ginger, then add in your favorite curry powder and some coconut milk. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens, then stir in your chickpeas and spinach. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa for a satisfying and flavorful meal. Wraps are a great on-the-go meal, and they're so versatile. Spread some hummus on a whole wheat tortilla, then pile on your favorite veggies. I like to use lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, sprouts, and avocado. You can also add in some plant-based protein like chickpeas or tofu. Roll it up tightly and enjoy. Chapter 8. Sweet potato and black bean chili. This sweet potato and black bean chili is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a cozy night in. Sauté some onions, bell peppers, and garlic. Then add in your sweet potatoes, black beans, diced tomatoes, and your favorite chili spices. Let it simmer until the sweet potatoes are tender, then serve it with all the fixings. Avocado, cilantro, vegan sour cream, you name it. Chapter 9. Pasta Primavera. This colourful pasta dish is a celebration of spring vegetables. Cook your favourite pasta according to package directions, then toss it with a light lemon herb sauce and all your favourite veggies: asparagus, peas, cherry tomatoes, zucchini. The possibilities are endless. It's a light and refreshing meal that's perfect for a warm evening. Chapter 10. Green Smoothie Bowl. Start your day off right with this refreshing and nutritious green smoothie bowl. Blend together your favorite leafy greens, frozen fruit, and a splash of plant-based milk until smooth and creamy. Pour it into a bowl and top it with all your favorite toppings: granola, fresh fruit, nuts, seeds. The possibilities are endless. It's a quick and easy way to get your greens and start your day with a boost of energy. Outro. Spread love and eat your veggies. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these plant-based meal ideas helpful. Remember, eating plant-based doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little creativity and these simple recipes, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals even on your busiest days. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. This channel, a brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, is committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content for more interesting facts. Spread the love by sharing eGreen channel with your friends and family.